Hi children, today we are going to learn between number. It's like a little game. Okay, I'll give you two numbers and you think, look and tell me the number between. Two numbers are there, there's a space in between. So you should be able to know between number. Between the two numbers, what will be the number that will come in the middle? Yes, it's a lovely little game. You got to be careful, alert. That's all. Between number. Yes, it's like three of you sitting in a row, 1, 2, 3. If the middle girl is missing, the teacher will ask, who sits there? Whose place is that? Oh, that is Asha. She's absent today. Finding between. Who sits in between? Who stands in between? Yes? Now, let's go to the exercise. Look at the two numbers carefully. Guess the number in between. Yeah? Between the two numbers. Can you guess? Good. Let's look at it now. Look. So beautiful. It's a little game. You have number 1 here. This is empty. And you have number 3 here. All you need to do, just count. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Yes. So what is the number that will come between 1 and 3? Number 2. Very clever children. So number 1 here. And then after 1, 2. Then 3. So you learned between 1 and 3, number 2. Now you have 1, 2, 3. All the numbers in a row. Isn't it good? Lovely little game, isn't it? Good. Shall we take another exercise? Look at the two numbers carefully. Find for yourself what number comes in between, in the middle. Good. What is this? Number 7. Very good. What number is this? Number 9. Shall we count? Take your fingers. Look at the number carefully as you count along. We have to find the middle number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count beyond. 7, 8, 9. So what number comes here? 8. 7, 8, 9. The number that comes between 7 and 9 is number 8. Very clever children. Good. It's a lovely brain exercise, isn't it? Good. Learning to count correctly, finding the number between 7 and 9. Good. Shall we go to another exercise? Look at the numbers carefully. Find the number between the two numbers. Look. What number is this? Good. Number 3. And then here at the end, number 5. You have 3 here, 5 here. Question is, find the number here. Between 3 and 5, what? Let's take our fingers and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. So what's the number that comes between 3 and 5? Number 4. Very clever children. 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Now you know how to get the number that comes between 3 and 5. What is the number? 4. Very good. You're enjoying your game? Let's take another exercise. Look at the two numbers carefully. Let's find the number in between. What number is this? Number 6. Good. And what is the number at the end? Number 8. Good. Let's start counting on our fingers. Fingers out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the number that comes between 6 and 8? Clever children. 7. 6, 7, 8. So what is the number between 6 and 8? Number 7. Beautiful, isn't it? Are you enjoying it? Good. Let's take another exercise. Look at the two numbers carefully. What number is this? Number 2. And at the end, number 4. So you have 2 here, 4 here. Let's find the number in between. Okay? Take your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's the number? 3. The number that comes between 2 and 4 is number 3. 2, 3, 4. Good. Very clever children. Now let's take another exercise. Look at the two numbers that comes here and here. What is this number? Number 4. Good. What is the last number? Number 6. So you have 4 here, you have 6 here, and we are going to find, you are going to find the number between 6, 4 and 6. Good. Take your fingers out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. So what is the number that comes between 4 and 6? 5. Very good. 4, 5, 6. Very good, children. The number that comes between 4 and 6 is number 5. Good. Shall we take another exercise? Look at the two numbers that's given to you. 5, number 7. You have number 5, number 7, and you must find this number that should come here. Take your fingers out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. What's the number that will come between 5 and 7? Number 6. Very good. Now read. Number 5, 6, 7. Very good. I hope you enjoyed the game.